Hey you guys, look what I got today. I got the package for my Valentine boxes. So let me go ahead and open it with you guys. So last year for Valentine's Day, and this is for you guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. So this is for the charcuterie business. So I went with something a little different this year. For the last 2 years, I did something a little different, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this is it here. I'm quite sure this is it. I'm opening it. I'm so sorry there's a plane flying over, but I also got myself a new tripod because I was getting that Five Below tripod out, and honey, I done spent about $100 because it breaks every 2 days. So my husband was like, I keep telling you to get a real tripod. This is from Sensing. I don't know. It was actually on sale. It was originally $26. Oh, y'all, I'm so bloated. Sorry. Bloated. So it was originally $26. Hold on, honey, because I gotta. All right, you guys. So I just opened the box for my Valentine's Day box. It came in today, so I'm gonna open that with you guys. But first, I also got this tripod from the company Sensing. I'm not sure. I'll leave a link in the description box. It was, if y'all want a link, it was originally I think $26, but it was on sale for $15. So I went ahead and got it because I had one of the big ones. Because what I want to do, you know what, let me try to set it up first and then I'll talk to you guys. Okay, I don't know what's this. What's this, girl? Oh God, what is this? Okay, I'm taking it that. I think this is for a camera. Must be for a camera. I don't know. All right, let's see. Lock, unlock. Let's see. I think this is, oh girl. I think this is, see? What are you doing? Oh. Who gonna take their own pictures? Oh, I can take my own pictures now. Oh, I could get the bravery to take my own photos. Hold on. Is it gonna stay now? Okay. And I think down there I gotta unlock it so it goes higher. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and it goes both ways. Okay, hold on. Let's tighten this up. This way. Let's tighten it up. Okay. All right. Hold on now. Hold on. Oh God, what did I do? What did I do? I do not want to break because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh my God. How do I? Okay, let me figure this out so I can put y'all on here. All right, y'all. I figured it out. Look. Now. Oh my. See, you trying to show out. I just did it. Oh my gosh. And the sea biscuits. Y'all, I just did it. Hold on. See. This is why I'm documenting this, so I can say, remember that time I didn't know how to let the legs down in the tripod? I know you lying. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh no. Wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I pushed this up. I had pushed this up and then it went. Oh my goodness gracious. Don't tell me it's a little cheap one. Because, baby, it's about $30. All right, how is it? I got it. I hope that's because this is new. Whew, child, I ran out of breath. Oh. And I gotta open it back up to put y'all on it. All right. I got y'all on the stand. Y'all on the stand, dog! Who is that? The only thing is, I don't think it rotates down. I don't know what this piece is. I'll read the instructions. I don't know if it's for a camera, but all right. So we got the tripod. Now let's see. And it also comes with a remote. Because I want to one day be comfortable enough and go out and take my own photos, or even just around the house to get my own photos. And so by having, this one is 4 feet. So by having this, I could do that. So let me get the scissors now. Let's get to the goody good stuff. Let's see how big this is. I'm so excited because I need to go ahead and get my photos, set up my pictures. Oh, it's just boom. It's just there. Oh, this is a nice size. This is a nice size. Happy Valentine's Day. This is so, oh, this cardboard is good quality. Yes, this is so cute. So you could do it on its own. Oh, and they even gave me tissue paper to put at the bottom, even though I'm gonna use my own tissue paper. But look at this. So it comes in, this is the box that it will be stored in. So once I make the charcuterie or the chocolate box, I'll put it in here. Oh, wrong way. I'll put it in there. And I like that it comes with a clear cover so you can see the goodness. You have to be careful though. I'm gonna definitely have to wear gloves when I put this on because I don't want to get the fingerprints on it. This is so cute. Oh, come on. Come on, box. Hold on. Wait, Shannon, you might have it the wrong way. You might have it the wrong way. Alright, MG. Look at that. Look at it. So the plastic does not go all the way over the box. It gives a shadow box effect. That's why I was struggling to put it on because it goes in the inside around the heart. How cute is, how pretty is that? Let's say pretty. How nice is that? Oh my gosh, can you imagine all the chocolate? Oh, I could probably even do like a small bottle of wine if it's for like your girlfriend, your mom, a coworker or something. I could put that in there with all the things and then the tip. I'm so excited. But I have to go to get the products tomorrow. I have to get photos and set up the whole thing and create my flyers and my posts and all the things for that. So I try to give you guys the whole behind the scenes situation. So all right, let's go. Hey you guys, welcome back. So it is the next day, and as you can see, I have on my uniform shirt. So I did some shopping. I was supposed to go shopping yesterday, but it took 5 hours for the previous vlog to upload. I don't know why it takes 5 hours for a 13-minute vlog to upload. So today I am going to assemble the charcuteries for Valentine's Day and get photos. Not sure if I'll be able to get a lot of photos because I'm still doing mommy things too, but I'm gonna get as much as I can done today. So I did stop today. I went to Aldi's and Walmart to pick up some things. Normally I shop a lot of different places wherever certain places have better meats, better cheeses, crackers, maybe deals, sales. It depends. So I shop in a variety of places. So, and when I go, I like to take my Tabitha Brown bag, hello there, for inspiration. Are you sure it's ready?
Okay, we gotta check.
We're making some chocolate roses. Ooh. Well, you gotta, do you just touch it to see if it's still soft? Babe, touch it.
I think they're ready.
You wanna pop one out? I don't think it's ready yet, babe. Because it should just pop out easily. Touch the chocolate, see if it's soft.
I don't want to touch it with my fingers.
Like with a, here, this one we won't use this one. Oh, it's firm.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay,
You're not
take it out.
believing me.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
All right, we're gonna put it. Hold on. Hold the camera.
You say you're not going to use that
This
one.
is
Here
so
you are, so
pretty.
eager.
Here. So we're gonna take. Oh wait, let me get my gloves. Oh, I'm not gonna use that one.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use that. Okay, this is fig and black sesame seed. We got Colby Jack and cheddar. Well, Colby Jack, pepperoni, jalapeno. That's what it's called. Pepper jack, mozzarella, tomato basil, marinara, grapes, of course. Now, I wanted the stuffed feta olives. I thought I had some, but I don't have any more, so we just have those for now. And we got strawberries, grapes, chocolate cookies, like a graham cracker, and chocolate strawberry roses that my husband made. Are so cute. Okay, remember the molds I got? Oh, I don't think it's in the previous vlog, but this is what my husband used. These are actually ice molds for ice. And he was like, oh, I could do chocolate in it. So he got it, and they're so pretty. All right, you guys, so it is later in the day. I have been busy for a while. I actually had to go out to get paper for the boxes, tissue paper for the boxes. So now we're gonna assemble the boxes. So I'm going to move from the kitchen to my dining room, which is where I normally take my photos. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough light. Normally, I like to get the light earlier, but we're gonna work it out, and I will add some pictures in this part. So let's go. All right, y'all. I am done with work for today, and I am tired, but my day is not over. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, let's let this back up. You know what I don't like about this stand is that I can't tilt it down. So, now that I am done, I always take our leftovers. And I'm gonna make me and hubby a charcuterie. He's so happy. Y'all, my hat had a mind of its own today. I walked in the house from the store, it was way up here. My husband was like, why is your hat, what's your hat doing? I don't know. It's because I have my 2 braids in. I didn't feel like redoing them this morning, so yeah, but I'm gonna make a charcuterie and I'm gonna chill out because after I do this, I have to, oh my God, it's $2.50. I can't have no wine. I gotta go get Skylar. And he can't go get her because he grilling. Well, that's that. All right, so it is the next day, and I'm actually just having a little lunch and going over the photos that I took the previous day to do some edits and then post them to my socials. But first, I had to go into Canva and create flyers so that I could send those out through email blasts and text messages. So, pretty much that's what I'm doing here. And also going through checking my messages for people that have reached out to make orders. Turn this down. Hey, you guys, so I am back again. Now, as you guys saw, I was at home doing a little work online, but now I'm going to this grassy area to try and get some photos for a picnic scene photo shoot, a little mini picnic scene photo shoot. So hopefully I can get some footage, and I'll talk to you guys later. Go ahead. Yes. I'm coming back. This is our little setup. So I wanted it to look like you were just playing Uno cards at a picnic, and you got the nice, well, yeah, it's a lot going on, but yeah, so we're gonna wrap it up. Say hello to the producer extraordinaire.
I'm not a producer.
Yes, you do.
I'm your helper.
And look what happened. Look what happened. Glass broke. So picnic for one. So that happened. Now we're gonna clean this up, and I don't know, we'll see. I'll show you guys some shots. I don't know if I got one that I really like, but you gotta use what you have to get what you want. So I'm gonna wrap this up. That's pretty much a behind the scenes of my work day. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Maybe next time it'll be more in depth, more in detail. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you did. What would you like to see more of? And I will share with you. See you guys in the comments. Bye.